Hi friends. You're watching Discovery Agriculture YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. Betel leaf plant is a creeper grown in India. It belongs to the pepper family. Its waxy green, heart-shaped leaves are used for medicinal and culinary purposes. When crushed, it exudes cool peppery scent. It's used in making a famous dessert called Paan, which is chewed with betel nut as a mouth freshener. This mildly stimulant herb is popular in whole South Asia, Thailand, Indonesia, and Vietnam. Proper grooming of the betel plant for 8 months would produce betel leaves. Almost 1000 rupees could be earned from 10 plants, and you can earn around 25,000 rupees per month in 5 cents of land. Plant's primary stem grows up to 1 meter long. After that, it forms creeping stems having heart-shaped leaves that contain mild scent and exotic white spike-like flowers. It can be either trained as a climber or grown as a ground cover. It prefers slightly acidic, sandy loamy, and lightly damp soil but not waterlogged. Use the well-drained potting mix to plant it in a way that water will drain out from it quickly. Pick a less windy spot with partial shade for planting. 1. It thrives well in a hot and humid environment in partial shade. The betel plant needs regular watering. 2. Prune regularly after it reaches 2-meter height to control the plant. Regular pruning and plucking of leaves encourage new growth and sweet and tender leaves. 3. Occasional feeding every couple of months in the growing season of the plant with a nitrogen-rich fertilizer is recommended. Alternatively, you can side dress the plant with aged manure or compost 2 to 3 times in a year. 4. In cold climate, keep it indoors in winters when the temperature starts to fall below 5 degrees Celsius in a warm and cozy room under grow light. It becomes dormant in brutal cold and sometimes shed its leaves too, but get to grow again in spring and remain in growth until fall. In such conditions, keep care of watering. Overwatering can cause root rot. Within 4 to 6 months after planting, it'll be ready for harvest. You can pick off the fresh aromatic leaves for various uses. Betel leaf is a rare herb except in Asia, though it has many medicinal benefits. The leaves are especially helpful for clearing the bronchial passages, cough, and cold, and for the female reproductive system. Hope you like this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discovery Agriculture YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.